What up everybody, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you're new here, talk a lot about sneakers, so if you're into that, consider subscribing down below. Alright everybody, so today we have a sneaker to review in hand, and that is the collaboration between Converse and Kim Jones Chuck 70 in the black and white colorway. These shoes released on April 8th of 2021 for a retail price of $160 USD. I did purchase these through the official Converse website, and they did actually ship extremely fast. This collaboration presented two color variations of the Chuck 70, a white pair and a black pair I'm reviewing for you today. There were also some clothing pieces attached to the drop, and they are still readily available as well, so I'll leave a link down below. Check them out. The shoes came in a gray box that features Kim Jones and the Converse branding in silver or metallic letters, and I did purchase these in a size 10 men's, which is my true size, but we can get into sizing a little bit later. Starting off, the shoe features canvas material for the base of the uppers in black with off-white canvas material for the inner lining. From my understanding, the canvas utilized on a Chuck 70 is a little bit more structured versus a regular Chuck Taylor. The canvas material is used for the tongue, which also features Kim Jones' name in white detail. At the medial side of the ankle, the infamous Converse logo is printed onto the shoe. We also see Converse branding toward the back of the heel. Now, the one standout feature is the TPU cage utilized to overlay or cover the uppers of the canvas material. We do get two types of eyelets on the sneaker, a standard punched eyelet with metal accents and a translucent plastic ring style of eyelets, giving the sneaker a bit more pop of detail. The shoes did come laced with a standard black lace, but what did surprise me were the extra pair of off-white laces to switch it up and give the shoe a different look. Covering the toe along the midsole to the back heel is a rubber material, in which does make part of the double midsole used in this design. It also features a black outlining on both parts toward the front portion wrapping around the toe. You can see the details molded into that rubber material. A gum bottom or rubber outsole is used for the sneaker in brown. To finish it off, we get a black insole with the Kim Jones at the heel. In regards to sizing, I did go a size 10, which is my true size in men's for most sneakers, but I felt like I can go a half size down. There was about a half size space left in the toe area, and for reference, my foot is a little bit wider, so I thought, going true to size would be a right fit. But if I were to recommend, I would probably go a half size down. I'm not sure if it's just this specific design or do most Chuck 70s run big, but I definitely see myself wearing this shoe more in the colder months or a casual night out. Even though this is my first pair of Chucks ever since I was a kid, you can never go wrong with something like this. I believe Kim Jones did a great job of elevating such a classic silhouette. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Converse and Kim Jones Chuck 70 collab. Are you looking to purchase a sneaker? Your overall thoughts about the sneaker, let me know in the comments down below. If I did provide you with some sort of value, please hit the like button down below. It really does help me out in the YouTube algorithm, helps me reach out to more people in the space to continue to build this community. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button down below to join the community, as well as the bell icon to be notified every time I put a video out like this. But yeah guys, make sure you stay tuned. There's a lot more videos on the way. Like I said, I would love to put out more content for you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are staying safe. I'll see you soon.